What is going on, guys? Sir Lewis here, the YouTuber to invest to rest, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys here how to sell and cash out on your Shiba Inu coin and basically send that money to your bank account. And I'm actually going to show you guys here step by step how to do it. I'm actually going to sell some of my Shiba Inu coin profit, and of course I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research for buying or selling anything. I'm just going to show you guys here step by step. And this is also for if you have Shiba Inu coin any other exchange, okay? So if you have it on Kucoin or some other apps, I'm going to show you guys here how to sell it. And basically, the one that I like to use is Coinbase Pro. Now, if you have a Coinbase account, you can simply just download Coinbase Pro and basically log in with the same email and password. You know, it's the same account, so you can use Coinbase for this reason. The reason why I prefer over Coinbase is because there's lower fees when you sell it, which is awesome. And let's say, for example, you hold Shiba Inu coin on Kucoin or some other exchange. What I would recommend to do is send it over to your Coinbase account. Send it over to your Coinbase account, and then from Coinbase you send it over to Coinbase Pro, which is very simple to do. If you still don't have a Coinbase account, you can use my referral code in the description below and you'll get $10, I think, free in Bitcoin. But basically, to send it over, all you gotta do is go right here to deposit, click on Shiba Inu coin, and then you click right here on crypto address. It's gonna give you your address for your Shiba Inu coin on Coinbase Pro, and then you just go to your Kucoin or some other exchange out there and you basically withdraw it to Coinbase Pro. You can connect it to your bank. You can't connect Kucoin or some other exchanges out there that hold Shiba Inu coin to your bank, so you can't withdraw the money. In order to cash out some profit and sell it, you want to go to this tab right here, the first tab. You're gonna search up SHIB, okay? And the one that you want to use is USD. Do not click on USDT because that's Tether. You basically want to exchange it for US dollar, which you'll be able to withdraw to your bank. So you click on SHIB/USD right over there, and then you want to click on sell, as you guys can see right over. And then right here you have multiple types of orders. You have the limit order, which I recommend. You have the market order, which is just instant, but I recommend the limit order. And the way that I like to do this, as you guys can see right here, this is very helpful at the bottom. 25% of your holdings. It even tells you the total amount. 50%, right? 75%. So for this case, I'm actually going to do here around $50. So right here is 25% is 44. So then after you figure out how much you want to sell, maybe it's all of it, or like I said, 50%, 25%. And then you just click preview order right over here. Click place sell order, limit. And then it says the order was set place. If you just go right here to the second tab, and then if you see right here that you have US dollar, which I do, $54, that's how much I sold it for, then it means that it went through. And as you guys can see right here, I have the US dollar. And then to withdraw this to your bank is very easy to do. Obviously, you got to connect your bank first to Coinbase, which is actually very easy to do. When you make an account on Coinbase, you'll be able to do that very easily. So then all you got to do is withdraw it. And then next you click on bank account, and then you select your bank. And it's just that easy to do, guys. That's how you cash out on Shiba Inu coin and you withdraw your money to your bank account. Now, like I said, I'm not a financial advisor, but I do definitely recommend to, you know, cash out on some profit. Let's say, for example, you invested $50 into Shiba Inu coin, and then today it's around $200 or $180, right? Again, I'm not a financial advisor, but I definitely would recommend to at least cash out that initial that you put in. Right, you put in $50, at least cash out $50 from that, because if Shiba Inu coin, you know, goes down a lot, you can at least have your initial money that you put into Shiba Inu coin. And also, if it goes down by a lot and you still believe in Shiba Inu coin, you can put that $50 back into it and have even more Shiba Inu coin than you had before. If you guys want to learn more advice and tips, definitely like, subscribe, and comment below if you guys got any questions. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys got any questions, leave it in the comments below. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.